In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create motion animation effect in Canva. We're going to take a single image and give it a smooth, custom motion path using Canva's built-in animation tools. This is perfect for making posters, promos, or social posts feel dynamic without needing advanced software. Start by opening your browser and heading to canva.com. Make sure you're logged in so you have access to all the editor tools. A free account is fine for this. From the Canva homepage, choose Templates, then select Poster. This gives us a nice, roomy canvas to work on. Click Create Blank to open a fresh document. A blank poster lets you focus on the motion without design distractions. Next, go to the Upload section and select the image you want to use. When you click the image, it will appear on your canvas, ready to animate. If you don't see the Animate option later, make sure the image is selected by clicking it once. Look up to the top toolbar and click the Animate button. This opens the animation panel on the left. In that panel, under the Custom tab, click Create an Animation. This mode lets you draw your own movement path rather than using presets. Now click the element on your canvas, and while holding your mouse button down, drag across the canvas in the exact path you want the image to follow. Think about how you want the motion to feel. A long sweeping drag creates a flowing path, while a short direct drag makes a tighter move. When you're satisfied, release the mouse. Canva will automatically record that movement for you. A settings panel will pop up with options to refine your animation. Under movement style, you'll see the original path you drew along with smooth and steady. Choose smooth if you want curvy, fluid motion, or steady for a straighter, more controlled path. Pick the one that best matches your design mood. Adjust the speed slider to control how fast the animation plays. Sliding to the right increases speed for punchier, energetic motion. Sliding left slows it down for a more relaxed feel. This also affects the overall duration, so use it to match your timing needs. When you're happy with the behavior, click Done. Then click Preview to watch your custom motion animation in action. If something feels off, simply reopen the animation panel and fine-tune the style or speed, or re-record the path until it looks just right. And that's it. You've created a custom motion animation effect in Canva quickly and cleanly.